girl, come here, buddy.
The driver's side. Now the elephant kind of out there by himself. That's our daddy elephant. He stands about 9.5 feet tall at the shoulders, weighs approximately 10,000 pounds. The two younger elephants are 8 and 8.5 years old. They're his daughters. Now they are girls, so they're going to stay with their moms for their entire lives. Boy elephants, on the other hand, they usually leave the family when they're about 8 years old. At that point, the boys will go off and live either completely by themselves or with a group of other boy elephants. They'll only come back together with the girls during breeding season. Big guy. Now as we head down towards the elephant night house here, we're going to pass through our elephant transfer gates. These large gates are how we get our elephants from... Hyenas only have about a 30% success rate. Part of the reason those dogs are so good at what they do, they'll go out in large packs and use teamwork to take down prey much bigger than they are. The headdresses, those are gray crowned cranes. A little further up ahead here, we also have some marabou stork.